Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Google Drive with Copper CRM. Alright, so first off, log into your Copper CRM account, and then once done, go ahead and go to the top left, click on your profile or profile name. Now go ahead over to integrations, click on it, and then once done, you can now go ahead and look for Google Drive under native integrations. Okay, as you can see here, mine is already connected. That is because my whole Google account is connected to my Copper CRM. If you haven't got the notification or pop-up that says connect your Google account or set up Google, well, you can go ahead and go to this exact page. Now go to the top left, click on set up Google, and here click on Google Sync settings. And in here, it will just ask you to sync or connect your Google account. If not, again, let's go back under integrations right here. Just click on the connect button. Okay, all you have to do is just log in with your Google credentials, and then once that's done, you're good to go. All right, and there you have it. That's how easy it is to integrate Google Drive with Copper CRM. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.